Nemraj Sunda book, Quick Revision, Unit 6, Achievement of Crop Improvement. First, genetically modified crop. The crop in which one or many traits are altered or enhanced through process of genetic engineering. It is called GM crop. Example, BT cotton, GM mustard, golden rice. First, BT cotton. Bacillus thuringiensis is a soil bacterium that produces protein lethal to insect larvae, affecting the digestive system of bollworm. The gene is responsible for effect is Cry1AC gene. GM cotton is the only crop permitting by Genetic Engineering Approval Committee GEAC under Ministry of Environment and Forestry in India. BT cotton first permit on March 2002. BT cotton varieties developed by Mahaiko MECH12, MECH 162 અને MECH 184 for southern state અને RCH 134 અને 38 for northern state. પંજાબ એગ્રીકલ્ચર યુનિવર્સિટીએ ઘણી વેરાયટી બહાર પાડી. All three varieties carried Cry1AC gene imparting resistance against bollworm. કઈ વેરાયટી? તો કે પંટ યુબીટી F1861 અને RS 2013 આ ત્રણેયમાં Cry1AC gene પ્રેઝન્ટ છે જે રેઝિસ્ટન્સ કરે બોલવર્મની સામે. World first generation of BT cotton came into existence in 1996. It is known as Bolgard 1. Mahaiko collaborated with Monsanto to develop BT cotton variety with Bolgard 1 using Cry1AC gene. Recently, BT cotton variety developed as Bolgard 2 having both gene Cry1AC and Cry2AB gene, which is known as second generation of BT cotton. First generation 1996 and second generation 2006. First transgenic crop is tobacco 1987. First transgenic crop is tobacco. Second transgenic crop is tomato flavor savour variety 1994. Country having first position in transgenic plant is USA. Rank of India for transgenic crop in the world is 5th. The position of transgenic plant in the world in areas માં જોઈએ તો સોયાબીન સૌથી વધુ transgenic plant વાવવામાં આવે છે. Mostly GM trait used as a herbicide resistance followed by quality improvement and insecticide resistance. Total area under transgenic world in 1996 જ્યારે બોલગાટ ફર્સ્ટ આવ્યું હતું ત્યારે 1.7 મિલિયન હેક્ટર and in 2090 it became 270 million hectare. Genetically modified mustard. There are glyphosate resistant mustard developed by ProAgro Seed Company Limited, an accessory company of Bayer Crop Science Germany. Dhara mustard 11, a genetically modified mustard. Dhara mustard 11. Golden rice. A genetically modified rice is a golden rice. It having beta carotene, precursor of vitamin A rich rice. It was engineering from normal rice by Indopotricus and Peter Bayer in 1990 to prevent vitamin A deficiency in humans. That's why Indopotricus is known as father of golden rice. Then super rice. Super rice is developed by Dr. G.S. Khush at IRRI, Indian Rice Research Institute, International Rice Research Institute. Which would bring improvement about 25% of present varieties. Hybrid rice. First time in the world, China developed hybrid rice in 1974. Professor Long Ping Yang is known as father of hybrid rice. In India, second developed hybrid rice after China. First varieties MGR2 important. એક્ઝામમાં પૂછાય છે CORH1. First hybrid rice variety is CORH1. Now it is called MGR1. First developed by Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. અને PRH1, PRH6 by developed by IARI. Hybrid mustard. Hybrid mustard developed by Directorate of Rapeseed and Mustard Research, Bharatpur, Rajasthan. The variety developed by DRMR is NRCHB 506, first hybrid mustard in India. Other variety Dhara mustard hybrid 11. આ genetically modified variety છે mustardની. Developed at Delhi University. Then super wheat. The research on super wheat is progress at Directorate of Wheat Research, Karnal. It was expected by 2005 yield increase 15 થી 20%. Green Revolution term coined by William S. Goode in 1968. 66માં ગ્રીન રિવોલ્યુશનનો યર હતું. 68માં વિલિયમ ગોડે ટર્મ કર્યો. To describe productivity based improvement in food production, particularly wheat and rice. The main component of green revolution is high yielding varieties, use of chemical fertilizer, plant protection chemical. Evergreen revolution. The term evergreen revolution is coined by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan to denote the green revolution based on sustainable method of crop intensification and diversification. Vertical revolution in agriculture, maximizing production per unit land area, per unit time, using intensive cropping system, high production input and improved management practice is vertical revolution. Other revolution in agriculture, white revolution for milk production, blue revolution for fish production, brown revolution for food processing or liquor production, grey revolution for fertilizer production, yellow revolution for oilseed production, especially mustard, started with mustard, red revolution for tomato and meat production, pink revolution for prawn or onion production, golden revolution for fruit or honey production, round revolution for potato production. Silver revolution for egg production, black revolution for biofuel or jatropha production, orange revolution for citrus fruit production, golden fiber revolution for jute production, silver fiber revolution for cotton production, golden fiber for jute, silver fiber for cotton, rainbow revolution all sector of agriculture, almond or badami revolution for spices production, protein revolution for pulse production, saffron revolution for solar energy, sweet revolution for beekeeping, Parbhani Kranti for variety of okra. India's share in the world total geographical area 2.4%, પોપ્યુલેશનમાં 17.5%, લાઇવસ્ટોકમાં 15%, ફોરેસ્ટમાં 1.5%, વોટર રિસોર્સેસમાં 4%. ઇન્ડિયા વર્લ્ડ સાથે શેર કરે છે. India's first position in the world, mango, banana, cashew nut, coconut. Total irrigated area, total pulse area, milk production, tea and spices production, jute and allied fiber અને livestock productionમાં ઇન્ડિયા ફર્સ્ટ રેન્ક ઉપર છે. સેકન્ડ રેન્કમાં wheat, oilseed, rice, fruit આમાં સેકન્ડ નંબર ઉપર છે. wheat, rice, oilseed, fruit, vegetable, silk, sugarcane અને cotton આમાં ઇન્ડિયા સેકન્ડ રેન્ક ઉપર છે. ટોબેકો પ્રોડક્શનમાં તંબાકુના ઉત્પાદનમાં થર્ડ પોઝિશન ઉપર. નેચરલ રબર છે એમાં ચોથા નંબર ઉપર અને સાતમા નંબર ઉપર કોફીના પ્રોડક્શનમાં છે. પોઝિશન ઓફ એગ્રીકલ્ચર ટ્રેડ ઇન ઇન્ડિયા, સૌથી વધુ એક્સપોર્ટ રાઈસનું થાય છે અને સૌથી વધુ ઇમ્પોર્ટ છે વેજીટેબલ ઓઇલનું થાય છે. ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ યર રિલેટેડ ટુ એગ્રીકલ્ચર 2004 ઇન્ટરનેશનલ યર ઓફ રાઈસ, 2005 ઇન્ટરનેશનલ યર ઓફ ફિઝિક્સ, 2006 ઇન્ટરનેશનલ યર ઓફ ડેઝર્ટ એન્ડ ડેઝર્ટિફિકેશન, 2007 ઇન્ટરનેશનલ યર ઓફ વોટર, 2008 ઇન્ટરનેશનલ યર ઓફ પોટેટો, 9 ફાઇબર, 10 બાયોડાયવર્સિટી, 11 ફોરેસ્ટ, 12 કોઓપરેટિવ, 13 વોટર કોર્પોરેશન, 14 ફેમિલી ફાર્મિંગ. 2015 ઇન્ટરનેશનલ યર ઓફ સોઇલ, 16 પલ્સ, 17 સસ્ટેનેબલ ટુરિઝમ ફોર ડેવલપમેન્ટ, 19 ઇન્ડોજીનિયસ લેંગ્વેજ, 20 પ્લાન્ટ હેલ્થ, 21 ફ્રૂટ એન્ડ વેજીટેબલ, 22 આર્ટિશિયન ફિશરીઝ એન્ડ એક્વાકલ્ચર, 23 મિલેટ, 24 કેમેલિડ્સ, 25 ગ્લેશિયર પ્રિઝર્વેશન, 26 રેંગલેન્ડ એન્ડ પાસ્ચોરિયલિસ્ટ અને ઇન્ટરનેશનલ યર ઓફ વોલ્યુન્ટિયર સસ્ટેનેબલ ડેવલપમેન્ટ. ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ડેટ રિલેટેડ ટુ એગ્રીકલ્ચર 15 માર્ચ, વર્લ્ડ કન્ઝ્યુમર ડે, 21 માર્ચ વર્લ્ડ ફોરેસ્ટ ડે, 30 માર્ચ રાજસ્થાન ડે, 5 જૂન વર્લ્ડ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ ડે, 11 જુલાઈ વર્લ્ડ પોપ્યુલેશન ડે, 16 જુલાઈ આઈસીઆર ડે, 16 સપ્ટેમ્બર ઓઝોન ડે, 16 ઓક્ટોબર વર્લ્ડ ફૂડ ડે, 4 ડિસેમ્બર વુમન ઇન એગ્રીકલ્ચર ડે, 5 ડિસેમ્બર વર્લ્ડ સોઇલ ડે, 23 ડિસેમ્બર કિસાન ડે, બર્થડે ઓફ ચૌધરી ચરણ સિંહ. યુનિટ 7 મેજર સ્કીમ ઓફ એગ્રીકલ્ચર ઇન ઇન્ડિયા, કિસાન ક્રેડિટ કાર્ડ સ્કીમ 1998, કિસાન કોલ સેન્ટર, કિસાન કોલ સેન્ટર 2004, ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ સ્કીમ ફોર ઓઇલસીડ પલ્સ ઓઇલ પામ એન્ડ મેઝ આઇસોપોમ 2004, આત્મા એગ્રીકલ્ચર ટેકનોલોજી મેનેજમેન્ટ એજન્સી 2004, નેશનલ બાંબુ મિશન 2004, નેશનલ હોર્ટિકલ્ચર મિશન 2005, નેશનલ ફૂડ સિક્યોરિટી મિશન રબી 2007, રાષ્ટ્રીય કૃષિ વિકાસ યોજના 2007, નેશનલ મિશન ઓન માઇક્રો ઇરિગેશન 2010, ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ સ્કીમ ફોર એગ્રીકલ્ચર માર્કેટિંગ 1 એપ્રિલ 2014, મિશન ફોર ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ સ્કીમ ઓફ હોર્ટિકલ્ચર ડેવલપમેન્ટ 2014, નેશનલ મિશન ઓન સસ્ટેનેબલ એગ્રીકલ્ચર 2014, સોઇલ હેલ્થ કાર્ડ સ્કીમ 19 ફેબ્રુઆરી 2015 સોઇલ હેલ્થ કાર્ડ સ્કીમ, પ્રધાનમંત્રી કૃષિ સિંચાઈ યોજના 2015, પરંપરાગત કૃષિ વિકાસ યોજના 17 જાન્યુઆરી 2016, પ્રધાનમંત્રી ફસલ બીમા યોજના 18 ફેબ્રુઆરી 2016, ઓપરેશન ગ્રીન સ્કીમ 2018, પ્રધાનમંત્રી કૃષિ સિંચાઈ યોજના 2015, પ્રધાનમંત્રી કિસાન સમ્માન નિધિ પીએમ કિસાન ફેબ્રુઆરી 2019, પીએમ પ્રોગ્રામ ફોર રિસ્ટોરેશન અવેરનેસ નરિશમેન્ટ એન્ડ અમેલિઓરેશન ઓફ મધર અર્થ પીએમ પ્રધાન 2023-24. Next, Unit 8 Type of Agriculture. The term agriculture is derived from two Latin words, Agar means soil and cultura means cultivation. The cultivation of soil is known as agriculture. Sustainable agriculture or eco farming. Sustainable agriculture is the one which make use of low cost input, lower amount of chemical fertilizer, maintains soil fertility and ecological harmony. It is also known as ecological farming, natural farming, organic farming or permaculture. Next, shifting cultivation or land rotation or zooming cultivation. The productivity of soil is lost due to cultivation of same crop generally rise on same forest land year after year, hence the crop is shifted on other burnt land. It causes soil erosion. It is practiced in Jharkhand, MP, hilly areas of northern state. Response farming. The response farming term given by Stewart in 1988 coined this term based on analysis of weather data. It is referred to prediction of monsoon season or rainfall based on analysis of weather data of pre-monsoon period and managing crop accordingly. Then precision farming or site specific farming. The target specific use of input like seed, fertilizer, pesticide for crop production according to crop requirement on localized basis. Advantage: minimize the cost of production, maintain ecological balance, conserve resources. Ideotype or model plant. The concept of ideotype was given by Donald in 1968. A single plant would give better result in a group when the crop has least competition with same type of crop. Ideotype is a model plant which may be defined as biological model which is expected to perform behave in predictable manner within definite environment. Terraforming. To develop the Mars according to Earth environment, it is called terraforming. At present, bacteria and plant being developed by creating the environment condition on Mars on Earth. Hydroponics. Growing of plant under soilless condition, it is called hydroponics. Solution culture is being used for raising flower and vegetable at home. Response curve suggested by Holliday in 1960, it is a relationship between plant population and yield. Two type of response curve: a symptotic response where entire dry matter is economical products as in case of fodder crop, the most of dry matter as in tobacco. It means increase plant density with increased yield. Example, cereal crop for fodder purpose. Next, parabolic curve. After reaching a level, increase plant density which decrease yield. Wide space between plants, cereal or pulse for grain purpose. These are the formulas of functional relationship between input and output, quadratic response, linear response and mysterious response. Zero tillage. Father of zero tillage is G.B. Triplett from USA in 1950. Primary tillage is completely avoided. Secondary tillage is restricted to root zone only. Keep 50 to 100% crop residue on soil surface. Before sowing, herbicide paraquat and glyphosate are used for weed control and till planting is adopted. Till planting, it is the practice of zero tillage include four operations. First, cleaning of crop row, opening the soil for seed insertion, placing of seed, covering of seed. These functions are done in one tillage operation. Minimum tillage. It can be defined as the method of aim to reducing tillage to the minimum necessary for ensuring a good seed bed, rapid germination, satisfactory crop stand and favorable growing condition. Started in USA because of high cost of tillage due to steep rise in oil price in 1974. tillage operation is done only seedbed preparation. Tillage operation is done only for seedbed preparation. Keep 30 to 50% crop residue on soil surface. It improves soil condition due to in situ decomposition of plant residue. Weed control can be done by herbicide. Next concept is global warming. The surface of earth is warm and from sun heat. Earth absorbs most of sun energy but reflect back some energy in the form of infrared radiation. Major greenhouse gases are CO2 55%, methane 25%, ક્લોરોફ્લોરોકાર્બન 11%, N2O nitrous oxide 4%. These gases are present in atmosphere, transmit infrared radiation and reflect back to the earth. This reflected energy falls on earth's surface and keep it warmer. It is called global warming or greenhouse effect. Source of greenhouse gases in developed country, emission from automobile and factories contain chlorofluorocarbon. In developed country, deforestation case rise in CO2 level, methane gas from paddy, livestock and nitrous oxide from N-based fertilizer. The effect of global warming: increase overall temperature on Earth surface. Temperature increase 1.4 Fahrenheit in first century. It has been forecasted that 5 Fahrenheit will rise in next century. It is cause change in climate, result in melting of polar region, increasing sea level, resulting in submerging of coastal area, drought in warmer area. Next part agronomy cover in next video. Thank you.